sees that the sun still her heart glow.